Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. There is a document that was filed by the defense on May 23rd, 2025 that is a little puzzling because it is stating that the court has directed defense to submit something, a redacted copy of an ex parte filing to the state without any further details. Let's start from the beginning. This is dated May 23rd, 2025. That is the date where you can find this document. Please look for motion to seal objection. It states as follows: comes now Brian C. Koberger by and through his attorneys of record and hereby moves the court for an order to seal the objection to the court's request for the defense to submit a redacted copy of ex parte filing to the state. So this is an objection raised by the defense to a court order, which I'm unable to find on the docket, directing, this is Judge Hippler directing the defense to submit a redacted copy of ex parte filing to the state. The only ex parte filing that the defense would have filed of late may be, and this is pure speculation having to do with the defense's in-camera submission to Judge Hippler. That's for Judge Hippler's eyes only. That's what in-camera means. Certain information, documents relative to the records and document hold order that the court rendered on May 15th to both sides. They were, both sides, ordered to submit certain information regarding a concern the court had about a possible violation, a breach of the non-dissemination order that had to do with the Dateline episode, the terrible night on King Road, where the court determined that it appeared certain evidence that had not been disclosed on the court docket had somehow found its way to the media, and the court was intent to get to the bottom of the situation. You can read the orders to see what Judge Hippler directed the parties to produce within 7 days, which they both did. We had addressed both of the filings, notice of compliance, in prior episodes of this podcast series. Now, this is complete speculation. There is no way to know. I'm hopeful that we'll get some additional information as to what exactly Judge Hippler ordered the defense to turn over in a redacted manner concerning the defense's prior ex parte filing. Let's go back to this document. Again, this is the motion to seal objection. This motion is made pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC section 741241B and C, because they are either previously already sealed or are redacted, dated the 23rd day of May, 2025, and C. Taylor. So we see where the defense has cited to a rule of court and also a statute to seal this objection to whatever it is that they were court ordered to do. Also on the docket, the 27th of May, 2025, is the order sealing the objection signed by Judge Stephen J. Hippler, and there's really no further information here as to what this relates to. It just basically says that the court having the motion to seal objection and good cause appearing, now therefore it is ordered that the objection to the court's request for the defense to submit a redacted copy of ex parte filing to the state shall be filed under seal. And that document for you to observe is dated May 27th, 2025. So whatever this objection is, it's now under seal. Hopefully we'll get some information at some point explaining what this was all about. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.